Hail to Paul Bogle. Hail to Paul Bogle of Stony Gulch, Morant Bay, who along with his men helped to pave the way for justice and social change for one and all, and helping our island Jamaica to rise, not fall. A Baptist deacon who was born in 1822, Bogle was a champion and a fighter too. He fought to keep hope alive, and for that he was hanged on October 11th, 1865. Bogle was a leader of the Morant Bay Rebellion. He rose to the challenge and became a true champion. He led his men in a march for justice and freedom, and boldly refused to accept what was the custom. Armed with sticks and stones, they came on to attack, but Bogle and his men stood strong and fought back. They burnt the courthouse to the ground, and when they were done, only the ruins could be found. But sadly he was caught, tried and convicted, and today because of his efforts we are no longer restricted. Paul Bogle's fight was not in vain. He paved the way for freedom to reign. Bogle, a hero true and brave in his time, and for his efforts was made a national hero in 1869. Paul Bogle died, but his name lives on, and today we hail our hero, a true champion.